welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am showing you the new PR package I got from Pixi Beauty. Now if you don't know or you haven't watched my channel before, I am a huge lover of Pixi Beauty skincare and makeup, and some of their PR packages that they send are just incredible, and this one is definitely no exception to that rule. So this is it right here. Like, just look how cute that is. They've made it look like little milk bottles, like the old-fashioned milk cartons in the container. And obviously it is the classic colours of Pixi. And I just think this is just so cute. And on the side here, and it actually has the same on each of the boxes inside, it's made it look like an actual ingredient list. Obviously it says like amount, hydrating, smoothing, nourishing, comforting, balancing, basically 100%, but it's made to look like the ingredients list of what would you find on a milk bottle. So obviously to go along with that, this is the Hydrating Milky collection, and this is the first time I've tried anything from that range. And it says your daily serving of smoothing hydration, 100% vegan, as all Pixi Beauty products are. They are vegan. And obviously there are 6 different things in here. So number 1, which is what you start with, they also have all the numbers on the top so you know which order to go in. This is the Hydrating Milky Makeup Remover, comfort and nourish with every serving. How cute is that? And again, just look at this packaging, it's so cute. So this is what it looks like inside, and I actually love this because I love this on the top. You just press your cotton bud on top and it covers it in the product. While there are other cleansers that actually does that, and I love it, it's so easy to use. So this is a makeup remover with coconut and prebiotics, and it's a bi-phrase makeup removing milk. And this is hydrating makeup remover, efficiently removes waterproof and long wearing eye, lip and face makeup, and it helps to moisturise and balance skin. So this, you simply just, like I said, soak it on top with the cotton bud, wipe it over your face. I kind of held it like over my eyebrow just for a second and then wiped off. It came off so easily, and like stuff I use on my eyebrows isn't the easiest to get off anyway, but it just made very light work of getting rid of makeup. So I'm definitely intrigued to try this with more heavy makeup, like when I do the film character recreations and things like that. I'd be intrigued to see how it works with the face paint. I haven't tried that yet, but for normal makeup it works so well, and it smells very nice as well. It smells very coconut. It just smells nice. But with that on the top as well, it means you only use what you need rather than just like tip it out and seeing what you end up with basically. You do have to shake this before use as it does settle a little bit, but that's fine. It does actually say that on the back as well. And the next one on from that is the Hydrating Milky Cleanser, again in this bottle, and this is number 2. And this is it here. Like, this packaging is gorgeous, the white and the gold. That's so nice. Again, coconut prebiotics. It's a rich moisturising daily cleanser, smooth cream cleanser with coconut and prebiotics and willow bark extract, conditions and moisturizes, thoroughly cleansing the skin, and it's for all skin types including very dry. And I would definitely say this would be very good if you have dry skin, as it feels very moisturizing. It's quite thick cream, so you only need a small amount. I definitely used too much the first time I used this and it was everywhere basically, but it did make my skin feel very nice. I have oily skin, but it didn't seem to affect that at all. It just seemed to cleanse, and it's really good to get rid of all the excess like leftover makeup that you have left when you've used the makeup remover. It's definitely a good follow-on for that. But yeah, I am actually really liking that, and again, it smells like coconut. I think all of this has the coconut in, so it all smells extremely good. And number 3 is the Hydrating Milky Peel. This is exfoliate and smooth. So cute, these boxes, I absolutely love them. And then this one actually comes in its original box on the inside, and then this is the tub inside. It just basically matches that one, it just has a different lid. And this is a gentle micro peeling cream, natural cellulose, rich in moisture, clears away dead skin for delicate brightening, suitable for all skin types. And you can use this daily or as needed. You apply a thin layer onto clean skin, avoiding your eye area. Leave on for 2 to 3 minutes and then gently massage into skin and rinse off. I haven't tried this one, but I've tried one of their other peels and they work so well. And my skin is quite sensitive, but they seem to work quite well for that. They don't seem to irritate or anything like that. But I think that is because it has so many like moisture ingredients in it. And also, again, it has coconut and willow bark in it. So again, they are very good for your skin and they won't leave it feeling dry or anything like that. Number 4 is toner, and this is the Milky toner for balance and comfort. I love, love, love Pixi toners. I use a few different ones, obviously depending what I think my skin needs. But I use the Glow Tonic such a lot. It is just amazing. It's made such a difference for my skin. And this is with jojoba, I didn't say milk and oat smoothing toner. So this is calming and hydrating milk enriched toner to comfort complexion. This tonic is infused with oat extract to help smooth and balance, rehydrates, nourishes and relaxes. Alcohol free for all skin types, use AM and PM. I tried this. My skin felt so soft. Like, that was just unbelievable. Like, from first go you can feel a difference. I don't know if you can really see a difference, but you can definitely feel it. Again, I would always recommend just shaking this up just slightly because it is got the milk in, it can separate slightly. But again, only just a small amount. But yeah, my skin just felt very smooth. It just felt really nice, especially after using these other things as well. It felt hydrated, it didn't feel dry or anything like that. So that is really good. And this actually works really well if you use this before makeup. I found it just makes your skin look a bit more hydrated. So, but yeah, I really like that under makeup. The Hydrating Milky Serum, which is this. Again, I just love this packaging. I think this has got to be one of the cutest ones they've done. And then inside you have a little pipette which you add into the bottle. This is the bottle here. So cute, and this just matches the rest of the packaging from the rest of these serums. So this is a rich source of botanical extracts and vitamin E that help protect, nourish and strengthen skin for all skin types. And you just use 2 or 3 drops of this on to cleanse and tone skin. And you can actually add this into your moisturiser if you feel like you need the extra hydration, which is really, really good. I haven't actually tried this one yet. Considering what the rest of this range is like, it's going to be good. But this also has rosehip oil, which is a moisturising superfood, jojoba seed oil, which rehydrates and nourishes, aloe vera, which smooths dry skin, and it's also very good if you are sensitive skin. Again, with these serums, you literally, I don't even use 2 to 3, I use maybe 2 if most, because a little definitely goes a long way with them, but it soaks into your skin very well. And last but in no means least, and it's probably one of the most important parts of skincare, and this is the Hydrating Milky Lotion, which is a moisturiser. Again, with the bottle, I mean the box, not the bottle, the box. And this is the bottle inside. I really like this packaging where it's got the white in the middle and then the classic pixie green at the top and bottom. A deeply hydrating lotion for face and body. Multi-use lotion delivers improved hydration instantly as well as long term. A unique blend of coconut oil, shea butter and cocoa seed extract helps ensure optimum skin health. I forgot what words were then. This smells so good. With all those different things, it just smells so nice. It's quite fresh, even though it's not like citrus or anything. You normally associate fresh with citrus, but I think this definitely has it. And I love that you can use this on your body as well. I actually use this on my legs and they felt so good after. I have been using it on my face as well, obviously. But like I said in previous videos, I find moisturisers a really hard one to match for my skin, as a lot of them seem to break it out or just make it worse. Just not work. This one is actually really good. It's not one I would use every day because it is quite thick and it's very, as it says, it is a deep moisturiser. I don't think my skin needs that every day, maybe a couple of days a week. Obviously it depends on your skin type. If you have very, very dry skin, this would be perfect. But yeah, I actually really like it. So that is the Milky range from Pixi Beauty. A lot of it would be extremely good if you have very dry skin, as it is moisturising. It has all these extras in it, which is for rehydration of your skin. I also love that you can use a few of them on your body as well, which is really good. It saves you having to buy separate products or anything like that. But like I said at the start, Pixi always do such incredible packages and their products are incredible. They are all 100% vegan as well, which is extremely good if that is what you are or just what you prefer to buy. But yeah, so thank you so much Pixi if you are watching for sending me this. I am very, very grateful for anything that you send. They are always amazing and I do actually use them as well. So I hope you like this little talk through of what of all these products are from the Pixi Milky range. If you have any questions about a certain product or anything like that, then please feel free to leave them and I'll try to answer it as best I can. But I hope you liked this video. Please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe if you did, and I'll see you soon with another. Bye!